Welcome to King Locksmiths of Baltimore, Maryland. Locked out of your car? Need security in your office? Whether you have broken key, 410-286-1994. Don't worry, help is just one call away. When it comes to reliable, professional and fast service, Commercial Baltimore, Maryland is your choice. Our 24/7 commercial services is always here to help you all. Our locksmith can be the best you are looking for. So call us to enjoy our offers. With us can save you money. Contact us, 410-286-1994 www.locksmithsofbaltimore.com.